Dialog 7, Guidelines for the student. You are going to listen to a mock speaking exam being carried out by an examiner and 2 students. You will listen to the text. There are questions to answer whilst listening.
You have a concise vocabulary list to help you with each text. The words that are explained are underlined in the text. Dialogue 1, Mock Speaking Part 1.
First of all, we would like to know something about you. Let's start with you, Kelly. Where are you from?
I am from Valencia. I live in a small town called Alboraya.
Okay, and what about you, Laura?
I was born in Argentina. I moved here when I was 3 years old because my father found a job here.
And what do you like about living here?
I love living here because it is my home, so all of my friends and family are here. The weather is great and I think the size of the city is perfect because it's not too big, not too small.
And you, Kelly?
I was going to say the same thing about the size of the city. It's good because you can walk from place to place to get around the city, but at the same time, there are still many things to do. I also love the beaches, the weather too obviously. The architecture is great too, especially the modern City of Arts and Sciences buildings.
What do you do to relax after a busy day, Kelly?
Sorry, could you repeat please?
Sure. How do you relax after a busy day?
Oh sorry. Okay, well, to be honest, I struggle to find time to relax because I have a full-time job and 2 children. But when I put them to bed at night, I usually watch television with my husband and can de-stress myself a little bit then.
And how do you relax, Laura?
I have a lot more free time on my hands than Kelly at the moment because I am unemployed. But most of the day I am looking for jobs on the computer. So at night I like to get away from this by reading a book outside or going for a run in the park.
Do you think you have a healthy lifestyle in general?
I would say so, yes. I try to eat healthily during the week and I run 3 times a week, then at the weekend I indulge and eat whatever I like.
And you, Kelly? How healthy is your lifestyle?
I think I'm pretty healthy too. I mean, I absolutely love chocolate, so I guess that is my downfall. But I think that there is more to life than constantly thinking about what you eat, so I just make sure I exercise enough to make up for bad eating. Luckily, there is a gym at work which I can go to at lunchtime.
Okay, and Kelly, what do you see yourself doing in 5 years' time?
I hope to still be living in Valencia. I hope I still have my job, and if I was being really optimistic, I would say I hope to have been promoted.
And you, Laura?
Well, fingers crossed I will have a job, which will involve my degree of architecture. I would like to still be living in Valencia, but if no jobs come my way, I would be willing to move to another country for work.
Great. Let's move on to the other part of the exam.